See the next problem. Number 2. Show that the points. Show that the points 0, -1, 0, 2, 1, -1, 1, 1, 1, 3, 3, 0 are coplanar. Now, the given points are P 0, -1, 0, through 2, 1, -1, or 1, 1, S 3, 3, 0. So these are the given points. And see, equation of a plane passing through point. Equation of a plane passing through a point x1, y1, z1 is, what is that? A into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 plus c into z minus z1. This is equals to 0. See now, then equation of 1 passes through 0, -1, 0. Equation of 1 passes through equation of 1 passes through 0, -1, 0. I will take this is x1, y1, z. Now a into x minus, what is x1? 0, plus b into y minus, what is y1? -1, plus c into z minus, what is z1? 0. Now this is equals to 0. You see here a into x, that is ax, plus b into y minus into minus, that is plus 1, plus cz equals to 0. You see here ax plus by. Now see, now a into x minus 0 plus b into y plus 1 plus c into z, now that is equals to 0. So now you take this is equation number 2. Equation 2 passes through q and r. Equation 2 passes through q and r. Okay, what is q here? So now that is a into x plus b into y plus 1 plus cz equals to 0 is passing through q, what is that? 2, 1, -1, and r, what is that? 1, 1, 1. So we take what? This is x, y, z. Now a into x means what? 2, plus b into y plus 1, 1 plus 1, plus c into z means -1. So this is equals to 0. 2a plus 1 plus 1, that is 2b, plus into minus, that is minus c equals to 0. Take this is equation number 3. And next this is equation 2 is passes through r. So what we are getting here? Equation 2 passes through. Equation 2 is passes through capital R. So what we are getting? C now. A into x minus x minus 1, that is 1, plus b into y plus 1 means what, that is 1 plus 1 plus c into what is z here? 1. Now this is equal to 0. Now a plus 1 plus 1, how much, that is 2b plus c equals to 0. Now we take this is equation number 4. Solve the equations 3 and 4. So what we are getting here? Solve the equations 3 and 4. So now what we are getting here? So now what is b coefficient, that is 2, c coefficient minus 1, a coefficient 2, b coefficient 2. And what is b coefficient here? 2, c1, a1, b2. Now this is what a, b, c. Now by doing intersection method, 2 1 are 2, then minus into minus plus 2 1 are 2. Now b by minus 1 minus 2. So now c by 2 2 are 4 minus 2. So now what we are getting here? A by 4, b by minus 1 minus 2 is nothing but what, that is minus 3. So c by 4 minus 2, that is 2. Now substitute the corresponding values in equation 2. So what we are getting here? Substitute the corresponding values in equation 2. What is that? A is nothing but, that is 4 into x plus what is b at minus 3 into y plus 1 plus c means what, that is 2 into z is equals to 0. So now 4x minus 3y minus 3 plus 2z equals to 0. 4x minus 3y plus 2z minus 3 come this side, that is plus 3. Now this is our required equation of the plane. So now see, take this is equation number 5. Now equation 5 is passes through equation 5 is passes through s, that is what, 3 comma 3 comma 0. So what we are getting here? Take this is x y z. So now 4 into x means what, 3 minus 3 into y means 3 plus 2 into z means 0. Now here plus 3 come this side, minus 3 equals to, we have to show that is 0. 4 3 is how much? 12 minus 9, this is 0 minus 3 plus 12 minus 12 gets cancelled, and it is becomes what, that is 0. This is our required equation. See now, see the next problem. Find the equation of the planes the equation of the planes through 6 comma minus 4 comma 3. 6 comma minus 4 comma 3 comma 0 comma 4 comma minus 3 and cutting off intercepts whose sum is cutting off intercepts whose sum is 0. Whose sum is 0. See here, the given points are A 6 comma minus 4 comma 3 and B 0 comma 4 comma minus 3. Next, let the intercepts of the plane be. Let the intercepts of the plane be small a comma b comma c. Equation of the plane in the intercept form is equation of the plane in the intercept form is x by a plus y by b plus z by c equals to 1. See now, this equation is passing through the points A and B. Equation 1 is passing through A and B. So what we are getting, see here, listen, x by A, take this is x y z, this is also x y z. What is x here? 6 by A plus what is y? Minus 4 by B plus what is z? 3 by c. This is equals to 1. Now we take this is equation number 2. Next, what is second equation? 0 by A plus 4 by B minus 3 by c. Now this is equals to what? 1. You take this is equation number 3. Now see here, 0 by A is nothing but 0. Now plus 4 by B minus 3 by c equals to 1. You take this is equation number 3. Now see here, listen here, 4 by B equals to what that is? Okay, 4 by B minus 3 by c equals to 1. Now, adding equations 2 and 3 on both sides. So now what we are getting here, see, 6 by A minus 4 by B plus 3 by c plus 0 plus 4 by B minus 3 by c is equals to what? 1 plus 1. So what we are getting, cancel here, minus 4 by B plus 4 by B plus 3 by c minus 3 by c gets cancelled. 6 by a equals what? 1 plus 1, that is 2. Now here 6 by 2 equals what? That is a. Now a equals what? That is 3. What is a value? A equals to 3 we are taking. So now a equals to 3. So now what we are doing here next? Sum of the intercepts is 0. Sum of the intercepts is 0. Sum of the intercepts is 0. So then what? A plus b plus equals to 0. Now what is the condition here? C equals to plus a goes that side minus a plus b goes that side minus b. Now C equals what? That is minus a minus b. Now here C equals to what is a here? Minus a minus b. Substitute this is substitute C in equation number 3. Substitute C equals what? That is minus a minus b in equation number 3. So then what we are getting here? 4 by b minus 3 by what is C here? Minus of a plus b. This is equals to 1. So now we have 4 by b minus into minus is nothing but plus 3 by a plus b. This is equals to 1. See now what we are getting here? So now take the LCM here. B into a plus b. Now 4 into a plus b plus 3b. Now this is equals to what? 1. Now 4 into a plus b plus 3b equals to b into a plus b. Now we have 4a plus 4b plus 3b. Now ba plus b square. Now we have plus b square plus eab plus 4a come this side minus 4a minus 4b minus 3b equals 0. B square plus eab. See now minus 4a minus 4b minus 3b, that is minus 7b equals to 0. What we are getting here? Already we know the a value. What is a? Substitute a. What is a here? A equals to 3. In the above equation, what we are getting here? B square plus 3b minus 4 3 that is 12 minus 7b equals to 0. B square plus 3b minus 7b, that is minus 4b minus 12 equals to 0. So this is a quadratic equation in terms of b. So now what is the factors here? See here what we are getting now. B square 1 into minus 12 is what? 12 is 12 minus 3b 6 2 is 12 minus 6b plus 2b minus 12 equals to 0. Now b into b minus 6 plus 2 into b minus 6 is equals to 0. Now b minus 6 is the factor. That is b minus 6 into b plus 2 equals to 0. Now what is b values here? 6 comma minus 2. Now take case 1. Take b equals to 6. Then c equals to what? Minus a minus b. C equals to minus a minus b. Then minus what is a value? 3 minus b means 6. This will equals what? Minus 9. Now x by a means what? 3 plus y by b means 6 plus z by c means minus 9 equals to 0. See here, x by 3 plus y by 6 plus into minus minus z by 9 equals to 0. This is case 1. Next, what is case 2 here? Now b equals to minus 2. What is that? B equals to minus 2 means what? That is x by a means 3. Now we have c. C equals to minus a minus b. Now minus a, that is what? Minus 3 minus b until that is what? Minus 2. Now this is equals to minus 3 minus into minus plus 2 is nothing but what? Minus 1. Now see here, x by what is a value? 3. Y by b means minus 2 plus z by what is c here? Minus 1. This is equals to 0. See now, x by 3 minus y by 2 minus z equals to 0. This is equals to what? 1. So now x by 3 minus y by z, y by 2 minus z by 1 equals what? That is 1. Now these are our required equation of the planes. See the next problem, number 4. A plane meets the coordinate axis. Plane meets the coordinate axis in capital A and in capital A, B and C. If the centroid of triangle ABC is small a comma b comma c, show that the equation to the plane is x by a plus y by b plus z by c equals to 3. See the solution. Let a1 comma b1 and c1 be the intercepts of the plane ABC. Equation of the plane in the intercept form. Equation of the plane in the is, what is that, x by a1 plus y by b1 plus z by c1 equals to 0. And next see, this is equals what, 1. Okay, this is equation number 1. You see the figure here, this is x axis, y axis and z axis. Take the triangle having the vertices a, b and c. Now coordinates of a, b, c. See here, coordinates of a, that is what, this is lies on x axis, means what, that is yz becomes 0. So now see a coordinates of a means what, that is a comma 0 comma 0. Next what, coordinates of b means what, lies on y axis 0 comma b comma 0. Coordinates of c means what, lies on z axis. So now 0 comma 0 comma c. Now we have to find the centroid, that is denoted by what, g. By using which formula, x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3 comma z1 plus z2 plus z3 by 3. Now see, take this is denoted by x1 y1 z1, x2 y2 z2, x3 y3 z3. What is x1 here? Now a plus 0 plus 0 by 3. What is y1? 0 plus b plus 0 by 3. And what is z1 here? 0 plus 0 plus c by 3. Here what, that is a by 3, comma b by 3, comma c by 3. So this is the centroid. Now substituting the corresponding values in equation number 1. So now that is substituting the corresponding values, in equation number 1. So what we are getting here, now this is equals to, now x by a by b. These are centroid, that is equals to what, ABC. Then what we are getting here, A1 equals to 3A, B1 equals to 3B, C1 equals to 3C. Now here, what we are getting here, so now x by, what is A1? 3A, y by, what is B1? 3B, plus z by, what is C1? 3C is equals to 0. X by a plus y by b plus z by c is equals to what, that is 3. Now this is our required equation of the given plane. See the next problem. Next what? That is problem number 5. See now,